Hi everyone, this is the unboxing and installation and configuration of the Yeelight 480 LED ceiling light, white lampshade. I already did review of the 650 Yeelight ceiling light, which is the one with the ambilight. This one is a slightly smaller one. It doesn't have the ambilight function, but it was on discount on GearBest. Usually costs around 120, 140 US dollars, and I managed to buy it for $70 on GearBest. The best thing about it is that it arrived only in 4 days. I ordered it on Monday and it was received on Thursday today. And it's only 4 days because it's available in the European Union warehouse here in the Czech Republic. So let's see what's inside the box. First of all, there's an instruction manual as usual in Chinese, but I think we can get everything we need from these pictures, how to install it. And we already have experience with its big brother 650. Nice card with Yeelight logo. And here's the lamp. Let's see if it arrived in one piece. Probably did. It's smaller when compared to 650. Let me try just to put it like this. So you can see the one here installed is 650 and this is 480. I don't know if you can see the difference in size. I'll make another shot when it's installed. So that's plastic, but it really looks nice. And as all the Yeelight products, you can just install this base on your ceiling. Put the two wires here. It's very easy. You just press it and insert the wires and release. And then you can just click the ceiling light there. And I mean, you can interchange ceiling lights in every room as long as you have these bases installed everywhere. It's compatible with every Yeelight product. So let's see what else is there in the box. There should be a remote control. We got some screws. And there is a remote control. Pay attention when installing the remote control because it needs to be installed within 1 minute after turning on the light for the first time. If you don't do it, you will have to reset the light and then try to install the remote again. Okay. It's absolutely the same as the remote for 650, as you can see. And that should be about it. These are just empty placeholders, so that's about it. So it's 480 Yeelight ceiling light. So after a lot of struggle, I managed to install this one and screw it with 2 screws. Existing screws, may I say. So I'm proud of myself. So now the only thing to do is connect to wires. But because these wires are so thick, I'll have to think of a way to do it. Oh, it will have to do something like this. With this extension, I'll just need to bend the wire so it doesn't interfere with the ceiling light. Okay, so finally I have it installed, and let's see, we'll try to switch it on with normal wired switch. Either the whole house will remain without electricity or it will light up. So let's see. Wow, it works. So now is the time to install it in the app. So let's just go to the Me app. And we will try to add, okay, turn Bluetooth, blah, blah, blah. think it already found something. Yeelight Ceiling. So let's just click and we'll connect it to the Wi-Fi. So we will just connect it to this router. Device connected. Wow, this was fast. Sending message to device. And we will have to hurry. It's blinking now. That means it's doing something. We will have to pair the remote control, because you have to do it in the first minute or 5 minutes within turning the light on. So device connecting to network. I always forget that I have Mac filtering on my smart home Wi-Fi, and I'm wondering why it doesn't work. And then I remember I have Mac filtering, so when I turn it off, of course it works. So device added, done. Okay, we'll have to assign a room. This is my son's room. Device name. Okay. Use now. Okay. We have to agree. And let's see the moon mode. Yeah, it works. Sun mode. Power. Great. So what else can we do here? We can set for... it has BLE gateway. We have to set a time zone. Since we're in Prague, and Prague is not on the list, we'll have to select some other city. Let's say Belgrade. It's a beautiful city. BLE gateway. We want to be using this. We will check for firmware updates. And of course, there is an update immediately. So we will just update it. We forgot to pair the remote controller. I hope we'll still be able to do that. But I just can never resist when there is firmware update. Now I'm beginning to be a bit worried since it's stuck at 100%. Okay, there's a new one. And let's just see how to pair a remote. General settings, rename check, remove device, add BLE gateway time zone. It's not here. Automation, it's not there as well. Where could it be? General settings, we were here. What else is here? Device settings, nightlight remote. Okay, try virtual remote. Okay. We want remote, how to bend remote. Installing the battery, we did that. Remove battery insulating strap, okay. Press remote controls off and M button at the same time. In 60 seconds after the device is turned on. Oh, great. Let's see if it worked. Maybe it did. No, it didn't. So we will try turning the device off. So what does it say? M and off. Device settings, remote, off and M. Okay, the lamp is now finally flashing. It looks okay. So I'll just try removing it through the remote, and yes, it works. Okay, so let's see if we return here and go remote. So no remote bound, but it worked. It's weird. I'll just close it and open it again. The other one. This is the other one. This is ceiling. Well, the remote works, but now I'm having some network problems. I don't know why. Okay, loading. Power, it works now. And we'll go to device settings, remote, and there is a remote here, finally. Okay, so that's about it. We can also set default state auto on upon power resumption, whether it should be on when the power fails, auto recovery, that means the last state, and we can set default light. We can also bend Mi band with it, but we don't have that one. So everything looks fine for the time being. Let's see what happened with the firmware update. It's up to date, so it was just stuck to 100%. It's got the IP address. We'll assign later on. We'll just assign static IP address in the router. So that's about it. Okay, so we'll just try turning it on with remote, on, off. And we can also try setting it in moon mode. Moon mode means very little light. Here we can also set, this is the minimum in sun mode, and this is the maximum in sun mode. I hope you see something. I'll just lower it a little, and then this is a button for temperature. Color temperature, you can turn it to like white or bluish or yellowish, the way you like. Here's the moon mode again. And that's it. Successful installation. Thanks for watching.